Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the General Tutorials. In this video, we are looking on the measurement of central tendency for ungrouped data, where we are using our calculator. So here I'm having two calculators. I'm having a Sharp WriteView calculator and the other Sharp EL-531WH calculator. So these are the two calculators which I'm having here. So I need to use these two calculators to calculate all this measurement of central tendency without using those two long formulas. So firstly, let me start with this WriteView calculator. So with the WriteView calculator, what I'm going to do first here, I'm going to start by pressing mode to set my calculator into statistic mode. So I'm going to press mode here. After pressing mode here, I think you are seeing it's showing normal mode 0, and then if I press 1, that's the statistic mode. So I'm going to press 1 for statistic mode, and then I'm going to press 0 for SD. 0 for SD, and it's showing X here. So I'm going to say, I'm going to feed my calculator here. I'm going to feed my ungrouped data into the calculator. So I'm going to say 13 equals 3 equals 6 equals 17 equals 9 equals 6 equals 5 equals 7 equals 4 equals. So I'm done feeding my data into the calculator. So I'll come here and then I'll press this on button. Then after that, I'll come back and press the alpha button, and then I'll come here on button 8 where it is written state. Then it's going to show here where it is written statistic values. So I'm going to press 0 where it is written statistic values. And now I'm sure we are seeing it. That is showing that we are being shown n is equals to 1, and then x bar. And we know that x bar is the mean. X bar is equals to 7.78 if you round it off. And then this one, the data which we are dealing with is the symbol. So the values which are being shown here, which is SX, this one is the symbol standard deviation. Sample standard deviation is being shown as SX on the calculator. So our sample standard deviation here is equals to 4.55 if you round it off. And then the sample variance is being shown with S squared X here, which is equals to, here is 20.69. So this is the variance. So this is how we calculate the measurements of central tendency of ungrouped data using the calculator, this WriteView calculator. Now let's take a look into this Sharp EL-531WH. So on this one, what you're going to do, you're going to firstly press the mode button, and here it's showing the 0 for normal and then 1 for statistics. So if we need to go to the statistic mode, we have to press 1. Then after pressing 1, the SD, we're going to press 0 for SD, and it's written start here. So it means now we are start. If it is the statistic mode, you're going to show it's going to show us this is statistic here in the corner. So now we need to feed our data into the calculator. Here we're going to feed it like this. We're going to say our 13, and then we say m plus 3, m plus 6, m plus 17, m plus 9, m plus 6, m plus 5, m plus 7, m plus 4, m plus. Yeah. So now it's a written 9. 9, it means this is the total number of observations. So we can count to confirm if it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're saying, so if you count the number of observations, then we are going to see that and find that it's different from your last number. It means you've done wrong. But here we are saying that the total number is there, because we are done with feeding in the data, and then we are saying that it's corresponding exactly to the total number of observations. So after feeding in our data, you come here and you press the on button. And then after that, you come here, you press alpha. And then if you need the mean, you're going to come here on number 4. It's written an X bar here for mean. So you're going to press number 4, then equal sign. So we are seeing that it's just showing the same value, which is 7.78. And then for variance, our variance, we have agreed that variance is being shown with here. And then we are seeing this S squared X here on number 5. If you look on our calculator here, it's here in between the button here. It's here, XX. So it means we're going to say alpha here, and then we'll press number 5 where there is SX. So SX, we say equal sign. We are seeing, sorry, it's for standard deviation. So it's not squared, it's standard deviation. Sorry, it's standard deviation. And I'm sure it's 4.55 here. It's the standard deviation. It's SX, there's no squared, it's just SX. So to find the variance now, which is s squared x, we're going to say it's equals to, we are going to square this one because we are not having here where it is written, where is written s squared x. So we are going to say our answer squared, and then we're going to get 20.69, the same way as that one. So this is how we use these two calculators on how to calculate the measurement of central attendance for ungrouped data. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.